Hi and welcome class to our first Google Docs assignment for your Tech Ed 6th grade class. I'm going to kind of walk you through what I'm expecting for the top 5 assignment. It's a very technical assignment. It's not very hard to do, but you really need to follow along to make sure you have the right font style, font size, and font colors and different things as we go along. Okay, so to begin, here's what you need to do. First off, open up Google Classroom, like I have already done so. You're going to open up your class, so mine's Tech and Engineering, 6th grade right here. Open it up. On this one, you'll have a couple different things already on there, like futuristic paper, investigation project, and then you'll see top 5. Click on the top 5 assignment, and then you need to go up here where it says your work, click add or create, go down to docs, and then open up a document. The document should take a couple seconds to load. As you can see right up here, it's loading up for me. Now it's good to go. So I can click on it. And now it brings me to my blank document. Okay, so on the top 5, the first thing we need to do is put a title. So to do a title, we're going to use a header. To get to a header, we have to go up here to Insert. Click on that. Go down to Headers and Page Numbers. Go over to Header. Click it. And now we're in the top bar here. Okay, the first thing we need to do is we need to change our font size for our header to 24. So where it says font size right up here, we'll click that, go to 24. Now we need to center it, so our page alignments are right up here. Click center align, and now you need to type top 5. Just like so, pretty easy. Okay, if you want to have a different color font, you can highlight all this. Change the color. Let's say I want blue. You can do that. If you want the style to be something different, right up here is a style for a font style. I can change anything. Let's do permanent marker. That's fine with me. Okay, when you're done, just click the bottom of the page like I did before. So I'll do that again. I'm up in the header. Click the bottom page, and now it goes to the left. That's exactly where we want to be. All right. So now what we need to do is we need to start putting our lists down that you guys were working on yesterday. So my first list was sports, okay? So now we have a topic, which is sports, so I'll do that first. That font size should be 14. So if I go to font size here, I'll change it to 14, and then I'll type in sports. For the color and the style, I don't care. You can do whatever you want, so I'll change this. Let's do red this time. I'll change it to yellowtail, so it'll be kind of a fancy looking one. Alright. And then hit enter. Okay. Now for the list underneath your category or your topic, you need to be font size 12. It needs to be black. And for everything that you write, you need to have a certain type of bullet. Alright. So the first one here, if you go up here, there's these little dots and a little arrow next to it. If you click the arrow, it'll give you a bunch of different types of bullets, okay? For each list, you need a different type of bullet. So I'll just start with the regular dot, this one, just like so. Alright, and then I'll type my favorite sport, so football. And once again, it doesn't matter what font style you use, just make sure that's black and 12. Alright, wrestling, baseball, softball, and we'll do hockey. Alright, and make sure that you capitalize each of those because it's a one-word thing. It should be able to capitalize. After you're done with your first list, hit enter 3 times, and now you can start your second list. But remember, you have to switch it back to 14. This time the color I'll use pink, and I'll do food. And I'll change my style too. Remember, if you forget to change your style, you can always highlight it, come up here, change it to something different. We'll do Pacifico, press enter. Now I need to change it back to 12. Color needs to be black. And now I need to pick a different bullet. So use that little drop down again. Click the next one over. Doesn't have to be that one, but that's a different style. So I'll talk pizza. Let's see here. What else do I like? Chicken. Pasta. Steak. right? And let's just say fish. Okay. Then of course hit 3 times again, and then you keep doing that until you have your 5 topics on there. Okay. When you have your 5, I'm just going to copy and paste this food one. You're not going to do this. You're going to actually type all 5 of them out. Okay. But just to save time here. Okay. So I have 5. What I want you guys to do though, on the left hand side over here, I want 3 of them to be. On the right hand side, I want 2 of them. So we're just using one page. In order to do this, here's what you need to do. You need to go up to Format. Go over to Columns and change it to 2 columns. Alright? Now nothing's going to happen yet because it hasn't gone over to the next page. But if you click right behind the third one here, just like I do here, and keep hitting enter, notice that the right side now is starting to fill up. Just like so. Now they should be aligned, so sports should line up with food. Food is lined up with food here. And remember, there's 5 different categories. All of them need to have different bullets, so if you forget to change your bullets, all you gotta do is highlight it real quick. Go over here, drop down, change the bullet. And it should be able to switch for you guys. Okay? Alright. And that should be pretty simple. Right now it's not changing for me, but once you have a different list, you're not copying and pasting, it will switch correctly. Alright, and that's about it. Just remember, you need to do a header for your title, top 5, and it has to be 24 font, can be any color, any style. Your topics, like sports right here, needs to be 14, any color, any font style. Your list need to be 12 and black. Alright, this should be pretty easy. Hopefully you guys get it done today, and we can move on after this. Alright, good luck on your assignment.